this module, we will start talking about the research procedure that we follow to conduct research with the help of Corpus. Corpus provides you data. How would you analyze it, and how you conclude, how you get results from this analysis? You must understand that process. So we are going to do that. Corpus approach is better for mixed method research in LGS. As I told you, LGS is a complex field because gender and sexuality, they are complex variables. They have many aspects, many dimensions, and they are very dynamic, ever changing. So to study such concepts is not easy. For that purpose, we need different types of information, different types of data. Okay, and when you combine different types of data, your research becomes mixed method research. The data may consist of numbers, it may be numerical, or the data may consist of just words, it can be qualitative. So when you combine quantitative and qualitative data, you get a mixed data, and the research method is called mixed method research. How we collect numerical data? We collect it through questionnaires, जिसको आप उर्दू में सवालनामे कहते हैं, and tests. We conduct a test and we score it. After that, we experiment. We do some activity regarding our topic over a period of time that is predetermined, हफ्ते के लिए, 2 हफ्ते के लिए, महीने के लिए. And after that, we again conduct a test, mark it, score it, and this set of scores that you got before and after it, 2 sets of scores, you compare them and you see the effect of your activity, your action. Okay. So scores are numbers, and when you get questionnaires, people mark numbers. I agree, I disagree, I don't agree. So they are marked by numbers. Again, numerical data. We collect word-based data through interviews or through field notes. The data is based. This data, the word-based data, this is taken from text, and we often don't select whole text. We just select parts of larger text. We call them chunks of text. Okay. The texts are taken from real context. They are not invented text. खुद बनाए हुए text नहीं होते. Chunks are taken out of the context in which they were used. Now, definitely, when you isolate chunks from the text, you isolate the chunk from its context of use. And this sometimes creates problem for us when we try to understand the chunk, its meaning. There is no single method of analysis. There are several methods of analysis. And there is no supportive manual usually that can help a beginner research to conduct research with the help of Corpus. So actually the purpose of this module, as I told you in the beginning, is to introduce you what are pros and cons of this new methodology, Corpus methodology.